You can enable Products Waitlist to notify interested shoppers when sold-out products are back in stock. Shoppers can sign up for the waitlists by submitting their email address on the product's detailed page when the product is sold out. The waitlist will only be visible on the product's details page. In the Home menu, navigate to the Settings panel. Then scroll to the Settings tool. Find the Waitlist button and select the gear icon to switch the toggle on to allow waitlist signups. Then hit Save. To customize the sign-up text on the product's detailed page, select the Sign Up button and click a field to customize the text. Then hit Save. After you enable the product waitlist, the Sign Up option will display on the product's details page when a sold-out variant is selected. You can connect with your customers and get an overview of what your audience is waiting on from within the waitlist panel. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.